Hello everyone, welcome to House Talks channel. We finally have our Christmas decorations done for the season and we're really excited to share with you. In this video, we will go over decorations in our living room. We decided to go with a red and green theme for the decorations and wanted to go with gold and silver shining ornaments with a touch of red color for the Christmas tree. If you enjoyed the decorations that you see, then be sure to drop a like. Thank you and happy holidays. I love this star-shaped Christmas tree topper. It perfectly matched to our Christmas tree ornaments, which are most of these are silver and gold color with a touch of red. Looks beautiful on this Christmas tree. At the bottom of the tree, I wanted to keep this pre-lit gift wrapped kind of look, and it's really shiny. These are like a mostly green and red. It looks beautiful with the snow background. And we love these stockings. You could see that the initials with our family members. It's a perfect match. It brings the holiday spirit. The stockings are always traditional way to decorate the Christmas decorations. We do not have fireplace in our living room, so we wanted to decorate our large TV stand with all the stockings and Christmas wreath. And the both ends we have a media towers, so we wanted to decorate with all the festive look Christmas decorative artifacts. And you could see definitely some plants because I really love keeping indoor plants. And we wanted to place this skinny flocked Christmas tree next to a nativity set table. And this pre-lit lighting of this tree, definitely will add a bright lighting to this area. It's a Christmas nativity set. It has been with us over 15 years. We really love to keep this nativity set every year and decorate around it with all the beautiful things and add a little lighting to it and all. It looks really beautiful and brings the holiday spirit for the season.